Hello guys, this is a quick unbox of this Hikvision camera. I got it from Amazon. It's a network camera, a bullet one. Let's just unbox and see what is inside, okay? So here we go. Then what comes in the box, some documentation and a template for camera installation. And here some accessories, so it comes with the screws and anchors and also with the protection for the cable, so you can install outdoor. And here the camera itself, and also comes with this one to open the camera, right? That's a tool to open the camera. I put just this box aside, and here the camera comes inside of this plastic, and here we go, okay? It's a small one comparing to my hand here. You can see the size of the camera. Here there is this base where you can install with 3 screws. Here you can install onto a wall. And then you can move the camera to different directions, just like that, right? You can also install onto a ceiling. And here's the cable. Then you can use the cable like this, install, and you're ready to go, okay? Down here, you have here this slot for the card and also probably to reset the camera. Usually, some cameras have the reset button just right here. Let me just take a quick look here. So it comes with the tool to open it. It's pretty easy. You just put it here and you open like this. Here we go. That's it. So you have here a space for the SD card and also a reset button. Okay, you can reset the camera from here if you lose the password. There's also the QR code for the installation. And here, of course, in front of the camera, you have the lens. And also it's an infrared light. Okay, let me just confirm here what you have here in the camera. So basically it's a camera with low light. Here's the sensor, the type of the sensor has also WDR, the wide dynamic range, so you can see an area with contrast of lights. It's vendor resistant, right? Here you go. More information. It's waterproof, vendor resistant, high resolution video, onboard storage. It's the SD card and powered by direct finder, right? So you can see pretty good in the dark, right? So pretty good. At first, this camera is gonna work with this NVR that I have back here, okay? Hikvision NVR. So if you have one of this, you can also use with this camera, right? So this is a quick unbox of this camera. I hope you like it. And please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.